how to use Google Messages device pairing on Samsung Galaxy S26 with these step-by-step instructions. First, let's return back to the home screen and then tap on the Google Messages app. Next, we tap on the profile icon at the top and then tap on device pairing. In device pairing, we can go down and you can see here it shows that we need to go to the website. So go onto the website. So in here I will go to this website called messages.google.com/web and then tap on the go button. Now you need to sign into the same account that you are using on your other device. So tap on sign in and then put in your email address. Okay, so once you have signed in for your email address and the correct password, here say try to pair another device. We need to match up the icons. Over here we've got the image of this Merlin, so we tap on that image on your Galaxy S26 and now it's trying to pair both devices and then tap on allow and then tap on allow, and that's it. Now you can see if I go to my text messages, it will show the same text messages list as on my S26. Now one of the things is you cannot actually pair with your Google Messages app in here. It needs to be from a web. So it needs to be from a web page. It can be on a PC, on a computer PC, or it needs to be on a tablet. But you won't be able to pair with another mobile device using the actual Google Messages app. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.